Good morning children, welcome to the Narayana live classes. Today the key explanation of maths assignment 4 which is dated 16th 6. Okay, the first question is explain whether the division by 0 is allowed or not. See, they are asking the question of whether the division by 0 is allowed or not. They are asking. So we have to take in as we or not. As we are not able to do the division of any number by 0. So as we are not able to do the division of any number by 0. So the division by 0 is not allowed. So the division by 0 is not allowed. Means what it will come? It will come as any number by 0. It will gives the undefined. That gives the answer as undefined. So this is the first question. And second question is a plus b is equal to d and b plus a is equal to d. Then what is the property? Then what is the property? It is following. Then what is the property? It is following. What they are given? A plus b is equal to d and along with b plus a is also equal to d. Those two are equal. A plus b is also d and b plus a is also equal to d. So shall we write as a plus b is equal to b plus a? Why? Because both the values will be equal to d. So this is equal to the d. Both are equal to. So which we have to take in? A plus b is equal to b plus a is commutative property. Property under addition. Commutative property under addition. They are asking is which property? They are asking which is the commutative property under addition. This is the commutative property of addition. And next one is and the third one same like the second one. Check 7 into 9 and 9 into 7 into 9 and 9 into 7 or equal or not. So we have to take it is 7 into 9 or 9 into 7 or equal or not. So in this we have to take in 7 into 9 as we know is 63 and same like that 9 into 7 is also equal to 63. So 7 into 9 is equal to 9 into 7. This is also the property of the commutative under multiplication. Commutative property under multiplication. So this is the third one. And the fourth one is what would 6 division by 0 and 9 division by 0 or equal? Is these two are equal? They are asking. So the answer is 6 division by 0 and 9 division by 0 or equal or not. As we know that division by 0 division by 0 is not allowed. So whatever the number you have to take in as 6 by 0 or 9 by 0 or 100 by 0, whatever the number you have to take in, that number by 0 is not allowed. The division is not allowed. So we have to take in the value of 6 by 0 and 9 by 0 are not defined. We can't define. Why? Because any number by 0, the number divisibility is not defined. So the number answer is not defined. Next, the last question is, fifth question is, check 6 and 5, commutative, check 6 and 5, commutative for whole numbers, under addition and multiplication. They are asking, check whether it is commutative for whole numbers under addition and multiplication. We have to take in for addition of commutative property. We have to take in the a plus b is equal to b plus c. So 6 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 6. It will give the answer as 11. For addition, 6 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 6 equal to 11 under commutative property. For multiplication, 6 into 5 is equal to 5 into 6 is equal to 30. So a into b is equal to b into a is equal to those. A into b is equal to b into a. The resultant value is 30. This is the commutative property under multiplication. So commutative property of whole numbers under addition and multiplication are satisfied. This is the explanation of the assignment for children. Thank you and have a nice day.